It's the Nike store in the forum shops. I think I remember these being really, really cool. Like one of the most unique Schindlers out there. Wow, look at this. Custom Adams. And there's a random MT button here for some reason. And there's another one here. Oh, look at those. Those are very cool indicators. Yeah, this is really neat Adams, custom made. Oh, it's the back one. Oh, Adams chime. Ooh, hospital size. Wow. That's actually really cool. All right, here we go. That is really cool. Why is there a random MT button there? These are really neat Adams. It's got Adams everything, except for the indicators and stuff. The elevator itself is hospital sized, pretty much. I don't know what the other one was up to, maybe it just didn't come. We'll go ahead and send this one up so you get the other one. But I want to try this MT button right here. Oh, that worked. All right. I think this serves a upper level. Yeah, it does, but it's locked. This one has a fan on too, so. That's cool. Oh, it still says going up. Let's see if we go the up button. I thought we literally just went up. Okay, the MT buttons here are weird. Guess that's just used to call this car back down. The indicator says 11 for some reason. And why do I feel like these used to be glass because these black? Oh! There's textures on it. That's really cool. These are really cool elevators. There's the other one. The lantern on this one is... it won't let me ring it. That is a really cool lantern. And then look at these buttons. That is really cool, and it already closed. So anyway, that's it.